Okay guys, welcome back to my free videos how to make money online. And on this video I want to show you top 5 ways to get free and paid traffic to your affiliate ClickBank affiliate product using a free and paid website. Okay, so let's start. Let's go first to ClickBank. Sorry, ClickBank. Okay, if you don't have an account, you can go here and create your free account and then go and log in. Okay, now like you see here, you have here a marketplace. So all you have to do is go to a marketplace to choose your product. Okay, like you see, there's a different niche that you can choose, and sub niche. Like you see, you can choose your niche and your product. Okay, here you have to choose gravity and choose your product. Okay, so let's say this is your product, the CP passive income. You have to click here promote and get your link. Now this link you have to get all the time traffic to this link. Okay, let's take our link. For example, this is our link. Okay, copy, and you can close these windows. Okay, so I want to show you the top 5 ways that you can get real traffic to your affiliate link and get leads and commission and sales from this traffic source. So let's start. You can see here traffic source number 1 is YouTube video marketing. Okay, YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Meta Cafe. I will show you my YouTube channel so you can see how many visitors I am getting to my affiliate links. Video manager. Okay, so you can see unlimited views. Okay, unlimited views and a lot of these views going to my affiliate link. Let's go to Dailymotion. Okay, Dailymotion. Let's visit my channel, and you can see this is my website, this is my channel and my
okay
videos.
guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay,
a lot of views and a lot of visitors to my affiliate links. Also you can use Meta Cafe and Vimeo. Okay, there is more and more channels like this on the internet. Okay, traffic source number 2 is email marketing, solo ads. Okay, solo ads. So let's visit the traffic cache list. You can get unlimited solo ads and visitors from this website. You can see here, open this website, trafficcachelist.com, and go to solo ads and choose your package. Okay, you can put here your link, okay, from ClickBank, your title. You have to choose something very, very catchy, okay, something that people will click your email and uh, open your email and visit your link, your product, okay. So remember, the best thing on solo ad is to choose a very, very catchy title, and you will get a lot of visitors to your affiliate link. And don't forget, you have to put some text here, okay, some text, and then you can send your solo ad to thousands of visitors. You can get here 10,000 guaranteed clicks, and this website will send your solo ad to 1 million target list. Okay, let's continue. Article marketing. You can see some and different website that you can put your article using your link and get real traffic from this website. For example, let's go to as article, this website. You can choose your niche, let's say business, and choose a category and put your article, and don't forget to put your affiliate link. There's unlimited article websites online that you can use for free and put your link, your article and link on this website. Okay, paid website traffic. There's two websites that you can use to get unlimited and safe traffic. This is safe AdSense traffic and safe for ClickBank and your CPA offer. So let's visit one of them, for example. So you can see here this page. You will get this page, this website, and all you have to do is put your name, your email, your site, and choose your package, and read and accept the terms of service, and check this inbox and order now. Okay, next, product review. Product review. You can share your PDF. Okay, all you have to do is make a review and upload your PDF, your ebook review to SlideShare. Okay, let's go to SlideShare to show you how this work, my uploads. Okay, you can see this is my uploads. All you have to do is make an ebook and upload to SlideShare, and you will get hundreds of visitors to your affiliate link. Don't forget, you have to make a review and put your affiliate link on every ebook or PDF you make. Of course, PDF you can make using PowerPoint or any software that you can make a PDF, okay? And all you have to do is upload PDFs and ebooks to SlideShare. There's unlimited sharing PDF and sharing ebook online. All you have to do is go to Google and search for PDF sharing online, and you will found a limited website like SlideShare that you can share your PDF, your ebook, your review, and get free traffic to your affiliate link for life. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I will put all the link below this video so you can use this link, and I hope you will succeed with online marketing and with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you.